back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muskan and today we have gotten a new phone for ourselves. I know from the thumbnail and the title you already know which phone it is, but I'm so excited. I don't know, I never used to be such a device person. Like these devices didn't really excite me long back, but recently I'm starting to discover this new love with all these new gadgets and devices. I don't know why is it, but I'm just loving it. So let me just give you a little bit of backstory, then I promise I'll just open it very quickly. So I was using an iPhone 13 before this, and basically I was very fascinated whenever somebody said that they are using their iPhones without their outer covers. I was like, wow, even I should do that. And I am a super careless person, and I dropped it so many times that even I dropped it with the cover, but you know, that cover just saved it. But without that cover, that just got ruined. The battery was anyways at 65%, the battery health was. When I went to the store, the guy who was checking my phone, he was like, how did you even do that? This is not even possible, right? But anyways, the battery health was ruined because I dropped the phone without the case. So that just, you know, it was not great. So we were thinking of getting it repaired, but due to some things it could not get repaired. I'll tell you that also. But then we calculated and, you know, we did a lot of thinking, and then we decided to get this phone finally, which is iPhone 16 in this black color, pretty black color. And if you guys know, I'm a very big basic person. Of course I had to go with black only, though I really wanted to go with that teal color that was there. But anyways, let me just open it for you guys. I'll not lie and say I have not opened it. I got it yesterday. I was so excited about it that I opened it at the store itself. So this is how it looks. Let me give you a closer version of it. I'll tell you. So this is how it looks. The size is more or less like iPhone 13, which is what I like. I asked them what was the difference between 16 and 16 Pro. Basically the size was a bit bigger, but I was very happy with this size. To look at the color, it has a very pretty matte black color. Apart from these buttons that were already there, there's this extra button that they call camera control. So what you can do is basically click a photo directly from here, and also there is one other feature. If you click it धीमे से, so let's say if you click it slightly, okay, it will have this. So there is this whole आगे पीछे that you can do. And then apart from that also, if you just double click on this slightly, yeah, so now it will get converted into this depths, zoom, cameras, styles, etc. Basically so many things you can access from here. I don't know how much I will use this, but yeah, this is one extra add-on. And apart from that, this feature, I don't know if it was there. I don't think it was there in later iPhones, but in my iPhone 13 and even the one that I'm shooting from right now, which is my mom's iPhone, this button was like an up down kind of button. Now they have just changed to this, and basically if I just click on this, it is now okay. You have to hold it for silent and then ring. So basically you have to hold it instead of doing it up and down, which I think is really good. One thing that I just think is that I think these three buttons are really close to each other. There should be some gap, because so many times, because maybe I'm not accustomed to it, I just press this instead of this and this instead of this. So yeah, that is there. But apart from that, it is pretty good. The quality is super good. There are a lot of other features as well that might be relevant for different people. And one very important feature specifically for me was autocorrecting of emails. Let's say you're typing anything on notes or emails, right? And if you ask Apple Intelligence to just formulate it, it will literally just do its magic. And basically what we used to do till now was that give it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT used to do it, and then we used to copy paste it here. It basically happens it exactly then and then, saving tons of time. If you look at it, if you are just going somewhere and if you have to know about that shop, just take a picture of that shop or just open your camera and it will tell you exactly different things about that shop, the directions and everything, which is I think super cool. And now coming to the cost of this iPhone. So my iPhone is 256 GB because, and even I think that is less, and I've actually bought iCloud as well on top of it. It costed me 89,900 and there was a discount on ICICI credit cards that gave me 5,000 discount, so it was 84,900 exactly. I know it might be a lot, but to be honest, for phone for me is more for my personal use rather than my work. Like my entire work is here and my laptop, so I knew that I wanted these devices to be top notch. And yeah, I feel that 70% of the Indians are buying iPhone on EMI, and I bought it completely at that point, no EMI. I just do not believe in the concepts of EMI at all. And I'll show you the best part of this phone is its camera, and that is when the guy showed me the difference, right? I was sold. Let me show it to you guys. Hi, my name is Muskan and welcome back to my Instagram. Hi, my name is Muskan and welcome back to my Instagram. And being a content creator means I have to, and on that note, if you're not following me on LinkedIn and Instagram, go follow me on those platforms. Crazy content, super good content is going to come. But anyways, because I shoot a lot of content, I wanted a phone which is light and also has like super high quality, and this does the job for me. Apart from that, we also got this cover from the store. This is Waku's cover. So this is what the cover looks like. It has this thing for, I think, MagSafe, like the wireless charging, and also you can just open it and put it like this, whatever you want your phone to keep as. And it was anywhere around 2,300, but we got 20% off in this. I will not suggest to buy this from the store. We bought it, I don't know for what reason, but we just bought it. But you can easily get it for half the price outside. And also we got the temper for my phone from the store itself. Temper costed me 1,100 rupees. Again, you can get that as well from outside. I will not suggest you guys to buy it from there. We just got it from there because honestly, for the lack of better words, there was no time. Like I knew if I'll not get it from there, it will not be there, and then again the risk of me dropping the phone just increases. So we thought that it was a better decision to buy it from there. But if you guys can, just get it from outside in half the price. So yeah, 2,000 approximately for this and 1,000 for the cover, so 3,000 extra for both the accessories. If you guys love this video, let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about iPhone 16? What do you think about this phone? What do you like or hate about this phone? And more than 90% of the people who watch my content have not subscribed to my channel. Please go and subscribe. I put in a lot of hard work into making each and every piece of content. Coming in front of the camera and speaking is not easy for me, and your support will be highly appreciated. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.